Hello, welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. My name is Chance David Akiki and I'm back with another class in Excel. Today I want us to look at how we can use the if function in Excel. How we can use the if function and borders in Excel. So assume we have our data like this. These are students' results. It has the student's name, the marks obtained in a certain subject, and the status, either the student has passed or has failed. So I will start with how we can deal with the borders. Yesterday we looked at how we can do tables in Excel. How do we deal with the borders? For example, I want to put this data of hours into borders. You just come and highlight this data like this, then you press the button Control 1. When you press Control 1, you'll be able to get this dialog box. Then you look for the borders you want to apply onto your data. I want to use these borders. So you just put the borders like that and you press OK. When you press OK, you should be able to get something of this nature. I think you can see how it looks like. It makes for you a summary. So in simple terms, that's how we can use Excel, use borders in Excel. Another thing, I want us to look how we can use the if function to come up with the certain status of students. In most cases, I don't know, people do rate it manually. Assume Humza has got 90, this one has passed. A teacher would come and rate passed manually. Then Derek has got 23, has failed, would rate failed. But this is not a clean way of doing it in Excel because it is so tiresome and it wastes a lot of time. So assume you have 1,000 students. If you do it like that, how many hours would you need to complete all the 1,000 students? But Excel has given us a very clear way of doing it. So you come and click in the first cell, then you press your equal signs. After pressing your equal signs, then you say if function, you press tab, it opens for your bracket. Then you say if this is J7, if J7 is greater than, maybe let us say 50. If J7 is greater than 50, then you put a comma there. After putting a comma, you put into bracket that the person has passed. You close your quotation and you put a comma. Else, you open your bracket, you say the person has failed. Then you close your bracket and you press enter. So when you press enter for the first cell, it would look like this. It will come and show you that this one has got 90 and 90 is above 50, meaning that that person has passed. So you just have to drag her down. You have to drag her down and it will autofill. This one who has 23, it is below 50, this one has failed. Look at this one with 56, this one has passed. So this is how sweet Excel is. We can use it to do a lot of things. I think for today, I don't want to keep this recording so long. We shall stop here. Let us meet in another recording. Please remember, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Chance David Akiki. Stay away.